So hi everyone, we're here at Queen Margaret Hotel in Lucena City to celebrate Mama's 75th birthday. So there's my sisters, my nephew Zillian, and my brother-in-law, and we're here at Kim Sui restaurant. So it's Chinese specialty restaurant. And some of the most special occasions in the family had also been celebrated here at Queen Margaret. So this place is remarkable to us. So for a start, we're gonna have this soup, and while we wait for my eldest Ate Claudette and her kids, let's appreciate the place. So we also got wines, we've got beautiful decors, and practice tayo ng pagbati kay Mama.
Happy birthday, Mama!
Happy birthday, Mama!
Practice lang po talaga yan kasi wala pa sila Ate Claudette. So, ayan na yung Kim Sui cakes. But we're not getting their cake kasi magdadala si Monique ng birthday cake for Mama later. Nakapag-lipstick na po on my birthday. Tingnan ko maganda ang lipstick. Ayan! Andiyan na si Monique, si Ate, at si Gareth. My favorite, Hakao.
Happy birthday, Mama! Happy birthday, Mama!
Mama, happy birthday! Happy birthday po, Mama.
Happy birthday, Mama! Ano? Cookies choy. Mali pala. Happy birthday, Mama! Say happy birthday, Mama!
Happy birthday, Mama!
Happy birthday, Mama! Happy birthday, Mama!
So we got fried rice. Ano ba yung isang yun? I think that's chicken. This is siomai. Ang sarap ng food dito sa Kim Sui. We also have chicken, pansit. Actually, meron pa yung iba. Hindi ko na nakunan ng video. So, gift giving na. Starting from Gareth.
Bitawan mo muna yung chicken mo. Ano nakalagay? Sabi ko pa ako. Try mo na nakadikit. Ay. pangkilay.
Pangkilay mo. Kasi po, si Mama ay walang kilay. The drawing. This one from Ate Claudette. Gigil yarn.
Silaw nga.
Ayan na po, ang gift na pinaka-favorite niya sa lahat. Go!
Happy birthday!
Oh, di ba ang saya ni Mama? Ano kaya? Kasya kaya sa chan?
Kasya naman.
Yan na, from Jack. True.
Walang tatalo sa Coke. O, ilagay mo dyan ngayon yung mga natanggap mo. Yung blouse, yung dress mo, yung pangkilay mo.
Now we open the cake. Yan. Ready for dessert. So happy birthday, Mama. We love you so much, Ma. Road to Centennial tayo, Ma. Love you.